Hey, boys and girls, today we are working on 11.3 in our Big Ideas Math. If you want to follow along with your math book, you may do so. Today we're talking about estimating, which is guessing the length in metric units. So we're going to be spending some time guessing. Remember, when you estimate, we don't always have the same exact answer, but some of these will give you choices to estimate from. All right, let's look at our Explore and Grow.
Let's explore estimating the length of an object in metric units.
All right, remember metric units are centimeters, meters, not inches, feet, and yards.
Compare the length of the string to the length of each object. Drag the string to compare.
All right, so let's look at it. So we know that the marker is going to be longer than 13 centimeters. So is the pencil. The paper clip is less than 13 centimeters. And the screwdriver is more than 13 centimeters.
Select the object that is shorter than the string.
So the paper clip is the only one that is shorter.
Without using a ruler, tell how long you think the object is.
All right, so 13 centimeters comes to here. That means halfway in between would be between 6 and 7 centimeters. So if we came to here, I would say that's probably about 4 centimeters. All right, now let's look at our Think and Grow.
The yarn is about 11 centimeters long. What is the best estimate of the length of the push pin? You need to use the length of the object you know, the yarn, to estimate the length of the other object, the push pin. Look at the options: 7 centimeters, 2 centimeters, and 13 centimeters. 13 centimeters is longer than the yarn, and the push pin is shorter than the yarn. So the push pin is not 13 centimeters. The push pin is much shorter than the yarn. So 7 centimeters is not a good estimate. A good estimate for the push pin is 2 centimeters.
All right, let's look at a couple examples before we move on to our practice for today. And notice how the Think and Grow narrowed down the options. So we're going to do that with our two examples. The chalk is about 8 centimeters long. What is the best estimate of the length of the toothpick? All right, so if this is 8 centimeters, we know that the answer is not 9 because that would be longer than the chalk. 6 would be about right here, and then 4 would be about half of it. So 6 would be your best estimate. All right, the fishing pole is about 1 meter long. What is the best estimate of the length of the alligator? All right, so the alligator is longer, at least twice as long as the fishing pole. So it is definitely not 1 meter. I would actually say it would be 3 meters because it is more than 2 of the fishing pole. All right, now I want you guys to work on your 11.3 practice and let me know if you have any questions.